Hello guys, for another vlog, for another shorts. So for today's shorts, magkano nga ba ang puhunan namin nung nagsimula pa lang kami sa aming business na printing shop? So yung renta namin is 6,500. Yung desktop namin 14,000. Printer is 8 to 9K. Laminating machine 1,759. Laminating film 690. Bond paper is umaabot siya ng 700. Photocopy machine, second hand to, 11,000 siya. So, ang suma total is 43,549. Kung wala namang kasama na photocopy, 32,549 yung aming nagastos doon sa pagtatayo ng printing machine namin. So, depende pa din yon kung magkano yung upa nyo, tsaka kung bibili na kayo ng photocopy machine or hindi. So, yun lang guys. See you on my next shorts. Bye!